Hello friend, today I'll show you a simple electric circuit of an oscillating knife cutting machine. It's a plug. Switch. Filter. Electrical relay. Here comes out two cable for emergency button. It's 220 volts. Comes out four cables for four cables. They are for different servo motors for X, Y, C, D axis. Then comes out two cable. One is for power supply 5 volt. This cable comes out. It is for a laser light. And another cable comes for 24 volts power supply. Comes out two cables. One is for the controller main board. Another is for controller panel. These are for servo motors. Signal. Vibrate. 24 volt. They are control signal for oscillating knife tool. This black white cable. This is another 24 volt electric relay. This red cable comes from 24 volt. This cable. Then it turns into yellow. This is red. It is 24 volt control signal for oscillating knife tool. I'll show it later. And this cable, black, white, or red. This is 24 volt for oscillating knife tool power supply. emergency button. This laser light, it needs a 5-volt power supply. This red cable, it is a 24-volt control signal. Then it turns into 5-volt by this red cable, white, black. This is a power supply for the oscillating knife tool. This oscillating knife tool is made in 2021, 4 years before. This is old version oscillating knife tool. It needs a 5-volt signal. We have the new version oscillating knife tool, and it needs 24-volt control signal. No need this. You can also use this plug instead of this. We just use this for testing our oscillating knife tool.